The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, south central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:11 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Orange Beach, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Perdido Beach around 2:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lillian around 2:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia.